Alright, so if you've got a PDF file that's locked with a password and you can't edit, copy, or print it, yeah, that can be frustrating. But with Smallpdf, you can unlock PDF files quickly and for free as long as you have permission. So in 2026, let's go step by step and unlock your PDF the easy way. First, open your browser and go to the Smallpdf website. You'll see multiple tools for managing PDFs. Now click on Unlock PDF. This tool removes password protection from your file. Next, upload your locked PDF file. Drag and drop it or choose it from your device. If your file requires a password, enter it to proceed. You must know the password to unlock the file. Now confirm that you have permission to unlock the file. Then click Unlock to continue. Smallpdf will now remove the password protection. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's done, download your unlocked PDF file. Now you can edit, copy, and print it freely. Open the file and check that restrictions are removed. Make sure everything works properly. So yeah, that's how to unlock a PDF file using Smallpdf for free in 2026. Quick, simple, and perfect when you need full access to your documents.